महर्षि पतंजलि अष्टांग योग सूत्र. Patanjali Maharshi divided the comprehensive Yoga Shastra into 8 parts and presented them to the world. Ashta means the 8, Anga means parts, and the Yoga means the union. It is the union of the body, mind, and soul. It enriches and enlightens the inner energy and elevates the person to the higher level. The ultimate objective of Ashtanga Yoga is to liberate the soul to join with Almighty. Yoga is a wonderful gift of India to the world, but people are suffering from a variety of ailments like BP, sugar, cardiovascular diseases, stress because of change in the lifestyle. Come on, let us all practice yoga for both physical and mental health. Yoga is for unity, yoga is for society, and yoga is for immunity. The 8-limbed paths described by Patanjali in the Yoga Sutras are Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana. Samadhi. Yama means attitude towards our environment. It is the first of the 8 limbs and means restraint. The 5 yamas are ahimsa, non-violence; satya, the truthfulness; asteya, not stealing; brahmacharya, moderation; and aparigraha, not hoarding. Niyama. It is the attitude towards ourselves. Niyama is the second limb of yoga, referring to self-restraints or personal ethics, which include Saucha, the purity; Santosha, the contentment; Tapas, austerity; Swadhyaya, self-study; and Ishvara Pranidhana, surrender to the higher consciousness. Asana, physical posture. Asana means seat in Sanskrit and refers to the postures or poses that we practice in yoga. Asana is the third limb of 8-limbed path of yoga as prescribed by Patanjali. Some important yogasanas: Padmasana, Sukhasana, Baddha Padmasana, Vajrasana, Shashakasana, Mandukasana, Kurmasana, Paschimotthasana, Vakrasana, Gomukasana, Sarvangasana, Uttanapadasana, Halasana, Karnapedasana, Naukasana, Pavanamuktasana, Kandharasana, Padangustikasana, Dirghanaukasan, चक्रासन, मकरासन, भुजंगासन, धनुरासन, शलभासन, उष्ट्रासन, शीर्षासन, कुक्कुटासन, गर्भासन, मयूरासन, पर्वतासन, सिंहासन, मार्जालासन, वृश्चिकासन, ध्रुवासन, गरुड़ासन, ताड़ासन, वृक्षासन, पादहस्तासन। Pranayama is the fourth limb of the eight-limbed path of yoga and means life energy retention or expansion. The best time to practice pranayama is early in the morning, especially on an empty stomach. It is ideal to perform it outdoors so that you have plenty of fresh air. There are 3 stages to practicing pranayama: Puraka, inhaling; Kumbhaka, restraining; Rechaka, exhaling. There are a number of different types of pranayama. Some people debate about how many are authentic. However, the number varies from person to person. There are 14 types of popular pranayama: Bhastrika pranayama, Kapalabhati pranayama, Bahya pranayama, Ujjayi pranayama, Anulom Vilom pranayama, Brahmari pranayama, Udgit pranayama, Sheetli pranayama, Sheetkari pranayama, Abhyantara pranayama, Chandrabedi pranayama, Suryabedi pranayama, Nadi Shuddhi pranayama, Pranava pranayama. Pratyahara is the 5th limb of yoga and is the practice of withdrawing the senses from the outer world. Through this withdrawal, yoga practitioners heighten their inner awareness. Dharana, the 6th limb of yoga, is holding or concentration and refers to the ability to focus exclusively on one object. Dhyana is the 7th of the 8 limbs of yoga. It takes the practice of concentration on an object, dharana, to the deeper level of meditation. Samadhi is the final of the 8 limbs of yoga, in which the person meditating merges with the object of meditation. It has been defined as ultimate bliss, putting together and going towards sameness, sama. By regular and systematic practice of Ashtanga Yoga, the 8 chakras in our body will be awakened. Mooladhara, the root chakra; Swadhisthana, the sacral chakra, Manipura, the navel chakra, Anahata, the heart chakra, Vishuddha, the throat chakra, Agnya, the third eye chakra, Sahasrara, the crown chakra. These 7 chakras are stimulated and the Kundalini Shakti is awakened, and one can get supernatural powers also. Today, yoga is practiced in many forms and practices throughout the world. Some of them are Hatha Yoga, Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga, Kriya Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Vipassana, Swadhyaya, and so on. Sri Baba Ramdev, Patanjali Yoga Peeth, Sri Jaggi Vasudev Isha Foundation, and Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Art of Living have been instrumental in universalizing this yoga. Yoga has many benefits: mental tranquility, physical balance, and disciplined life. It develops the 5 domains, the Pancha Kosha Vikasa: physical, mental, intellectual, emotional, and spiritual in a person, so that ultimately to get a perfect personality. Yoga cures a variety of diseases. Life expectancy can also be increased by enriching life force. Tranquil contentment can lead to a happy life. Practicing yoga is a great way to protect ourselves from the present corona pandemic situation. Yoga benefits affect each person in a different way. Many find that it helps them to relax. Others find themselves feeling healthier and more energetic. All the systems in the body form, from the lymphatic to the digestive to the cardiovascular, benefit from yoga. Yoga benefits every aspect of our body, both inside and outside, that is, both physical and mental. On the inside, yoga enables relaxation. Many practitioners find that yoga helps them to focus and feel relaxed in both work and play. In 2003, scientists studied both long-time yogis and beginners. They found that the stress hormone cortisol had decreased even after just one session of yoga. Yoga has also been found to increase alpha and theta waves in the brain, meaning that yoga can relax the brain and increase access to the subconscious and emotions. And by simply increasing the feel-good brain chemicals like endorphins, enkephalins, and serotonin, yoga practitioners just feel better. On the outside, yogis look terrific. This is probably from improvements on the inside. Since yoga balances the metabolism and provides exercise, many find yoga brings their body into balance. Physical yoga strengthens and tunes the muscles while improving balance and posture. And yoga is a great way to cross train for other sports. It can ease strains from injuries and increases strength and flexibility. When all the body systems are balanced, yoga practitioners feel and find they want to make other healthy choices in their life. Yoga gives us sound body, sound mind, and sound health. Let us practice yoga for a healthy, peaceful, joyful, and blissful life. Namaste. Please do subscribe our channel and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching this video.